Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an upgrade or a mod that you can do to your non-AMG Mercedes. Today I have my CL550 and I'm going to be installing an AMG cluster that came out of the CL63. This also works on many other non-AMG Mercedes variants, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So if you have a CL550 or an S55, the W216 or the W221 chassis, the method is pretty similar. We're going to start off by removing all the plastic trim around the instrument cluster and the navigation system. And to remove those trims, you the new AMG cluster. I'm really enjoying it, especially that AMG startup screen and the lap timer. And I'm also going to be throwing some before and after shots, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.